Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Chap Pulp Petal. I didn't know anything about this soap. I recently saw Brandon Shave's video on it, and I'm like, that sounds right up my alley. Like passion fruit with coconut cream and some other stuff that sounds interesting to me. I think it has pineapple also. It smells really good. It's another one that I like. Yeah, gotta have it. So I got it with my order of the Never Alone 5 that I got yesterday, but Never Alone is gonna be for tomorrow, that I'm gonna be shaving with it on the Razor Company Live. But of course, matching splash also. You can see the essential oils waiting to be mixed, to be applied to my face. Anyway, for the brush, I decided to pick up the Trotter Gravity Pour in the Hydra shape. Love this shape. ST1 knot, dry loaded. And for the razor, we're going black. Rex Supply Page. The super tiny magnet with is this the American razor blade? No, I put a Kai. The Kai that I was using a while ago. That's it. I don't even remember how many uses. I think maybe I have over 3. It doesn't matter. Because the page is fairly mild, so I decided to put a more aggressive razor blade on it. Let me see how it feels, if it needs more water or not. So, hope everybody's doing well in this beautiful morning. Oh, looking great already. I'm shaving before going to work. I have a few loads. I have 3 loads today, so it's gonna be a good day. Have 2 local and 1 going to Orlando. Oh, the lather is already looking good. The passion fruit, I would have wished the scent was a little bit stronger, but it's still, I think, so far, I'm getting it on the soap. So far. But it's a hint of the passion fruit. I have another, but I love passion fruit. That's another thing. I don't know if it is a Puerto Rican thing, but I love passion fruit. And I have too much water. But I love passion fruit juice. The real one, not the fake one. Funny thing, I don't know if you know, but passion fruit is really good for the hypertension. It will lower your blood pressure. But if you get carried away, you can kill yourself. Because it could get your blood pressure so low that you fall asleep and die. That almost happened to me. Because I drank a liter of the juice. Because back in Puerto Rico, we have a couple of vines of passion fruit. So we have passion fruit juice fairly frequent. And I love it. But I got carried away one time and I drank a liter and then fall asleep, and then I was told to not do it again because I could die. Because it lowers your blood pressure. It's very effective. Very effective. I don't know how effective it would be. And something effective from the store-bought that is not organic or pure. Man, this lather is already looking beautiful. Let me pick up whatever. Come on. You. Oh God. rock. Well, there he goes. Had to fix that. But anyway, it's looking great. Looking great. So I got this one. It sounded way too good to pass. I never heard of it. And I think it's already not getting stuck because it's a summer scent. And we're moving to autumn. We're gonna start seeing the pumpkin spice everywhere. Well, we already are here. See pumpkin spice everywhere. This lather is looking great. Very nice. Very creamy. Very creamy. Didn't take much work. Okay. Let's see. I have less than 24 hours of growth. Oh, the noises might be a little bit down today. But this razor is it's a daily razor, mild, not too aggressive, very enjoyable, beginner friendly razor. Good for the price. It's very well placed to compete with the others. And just like that, we have our second pass. Still smooth. I don't know how many uses I have on this guy, but it's still working fine. I need to get at least 100 of them later on. Got stuck in here for some reason. Maybe I have a thicker hair that I couldn't get, or maybe the position and the angle or something. But I don't see any blood. He got it. Got everything. Did the job. But yeah, you probably saw me flinching like, oh. But no. It got stuck, but it tugged it, but it got it. Yeah, maybe I'm pushing that guy, but you don't know unless you try. I like to get more uses from my blade than just one. It's all preference. Not really needed. They are so cheap that But I like it. I prefer it. Very nice. Pretty slick. Pretty slick. And I went nose flying. Yeah, it happens. For me. Took me. It's gonna be the last peso. Let's squeeze out everything we can. Should be good. I need to have something for tomorrow's live, so it's gonna be over 24 hours. So it should have something. It's the page, so the page is not that efficient, but let's check how it did. Yeah, it got everything. Those steps, those five passes are working for me. To get everything. Since I have hair growing in pretty much every direction, so I just do the 5 passes. I'm watching the microphone, don't worry. This time I'm watching the microphone. Almost hit it. As I was saying that. All right, time to shake it. See how it mixed up? That's what you want. I don't remember if Happy Chaps have they are heavy on alcohol. I'm gonna know. We'll see. Oh yeah. Ah, the passion fruit. Mainly, I get the passion fruit, which I love. It's different from the passion fruit that I have from the Ion Mallard. I think it's passion fruit mousse. That one is more floral, perfumey. This one smells like sweet passion fruit. Anyway, smells good, smells great. I like it. You may not, but I like it. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. It was a great shave. Another great shave. Anyway, thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your day.